Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gurmeet Kaur and today, guys, I'm really very disheartened today because today, as you can see my branch, this one, it broke from here. I don't know how like anybody wanted my flowers because it has, as you can see, this hibiscus, it has many buds on this. See, I think, I don't know, somebody tried to pull that off or somebody wanted to break the branch or what, I don't know, I have no idea. But the thing is, this branch, they have broken it. And today like I have done some research, and I'm going to tie this one with the tape. I currently have I don't have plant tape currently. I have this cello tape. See, I have this cello tape with which I'm going to, see, once I remove this, you can see it very clearly that how it broke. See, complete branch is broken. I don't know, I'm really upset because see, these many flowers were there, and I really don't want to lose this plant because this one I've seen it like a baby, and it gives me lots and lots of blooms. So I really don't want to miss this one. So today what I'm doing is an experiment from my side because this happened very first time, and previously when it happened to me, what I did is I used to just make a cutting of it and used to place it in another pot. But this one, as you can see, is a complete plant, guys. This complete plant is broken. Here the main stem is broken, so I don't want to lose this plant like this. So what I'll do is I'll tie it with this cello tape, and I'll show you. I'll be doing multiple layers of cello tape here. I'll be putting, and I'll show you guys. So guys, as you can see, I have placed a cello tape on it, and I'm just leaving it to God to help this one. Really, I want to save this plant. I don't want this to die, and I'm going to place a support here so that it will stand upright in here, and it will sustain. I'm really see, I've tied this branch also, so I'm really don't know about this one also. Maybe this will be fine, but this complete plant, guys, I'm really scared, but still I have a little hope because I have seen some, like I've done a research that it will sustain. Well, let's see, I'll provide a support to this here so that it will stay upright. Okay, I'll update you on this, guys. Thank you. Hi friends, so as of now you can see this is an update of around 4 to 5 days. So there is one spent flower also, so you can see my buds are doing really great. I think my plant is doing great. See, here is a flower, it has also bloomed. So as of now these buds are also growing, and there is no leaf drops, so these are doing great. So I think it is healing. My plant, you can just see this one is healing. So whenever you water, guys, don't water on the particular stem where it broke. Yeah, see, I've also given it a support with this stick so that it can stand erect on its place. See, so when I'll remove the so this is the way you can just attach the broken stem.